In a land far, far away, there lived a young stork named Swiftwing. Swiftwing was known for her graceful flight and her soft, melodic voice. However, she was eager to learn about the world and was often heard asking questions about life. One day, Swiftwing came across an old and wise owl named Wisebeak. She asked, "Dear Wisebeak, I wish to learn as much as I can about the world. Can you teach me, please?" Wisebeak looked at Swiftwing with a twinkle in his eyes and said, "I will, young one, but remember, wisdom comes not only from knowledge, but from experience as well." Swiftwing, eager to learn, started her journey. She visited many places, met various creatures, and asked countless questions. But she soon realized that she was still hungry for more knowledge. One day, she came across a wise old forest where she met a group of elders. They told her, "Swiftwing, wisdom is not about knowing many things, but about knowing the right thing." Swiftwing, feeling a bit disheartened, returned to Wisebeak. "I have visited many places and asked many questions, but I still feel I don't know enough," she said. Wisebeak looked at her and said, "Patience, Swiftwing. Wisdom takes time to grow. It is not a race, but a journey. Each day, each experience, each question brings you closer to wisdom." Swiftwing understood the wisdom in Wisebeak's words. She continued her journey, not in a hurry, but with a newfound patience. She learned that wisdom is not about knowing everything, but about learning to understand the world around us, and more importantly, ourselves. And so, Swiftwing grew, not just in size, but in wisdom. She became a beacon of knowledge and understanding in her community, always ready to share her wisdom with others. And she never forgot the lessons she learned from the wise old owl Wisebeak. In the end, Swiftwing realized that wisdom is a treasure that is not found, but earned. It is a journey of a lifetime, a journey of growth, and a journey of self-discovery.